Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're facing a problem with your Snapchat filters or your Snapchat filters do not work at all, then you came to the right video, because in this video I'll give you some ways on how can you fix that problem very easily and very clearly. So if that's what you're looking for, follow up with me till the very end and let's jump right into it. Now if you go ahead and open the Snapchat application and you want to use the Snapchat filters, that should be at the bottom right next to the shutter right here. Maybe you cannot find them, or you can find them but you cannot apply them to your snaps. Even if you take snaps right here and you want to use the filters that should be there when you swipe, you cannot use those as well. I'll give you ways on how can you fix this problem. So first we need to quit from the Snapchat completely and start from the settings app on your device. From here it's going to be a little bit different from one device to another, but generally we need to make it to our apps list from our settings app. So tap on apps right here and then tap on manage apps at the top right there. Wait for the apps list to load up and you can simply search for Snapchat at the top right here to make it even easier for us. And here it is, guys. Now from here we need to make it to our app permissions. Tap right here to open that category. And here it might sound a little bit weird, but we need to go ahead and give Snapchat permission to access our location. Sometimes, or most of the times, that ends up fixing the filters problem on your Snapchat application. So tap on it and make sure it is on allow all the time, or at least allow only while using the app. Like that, that should fix your problem. So go ahead and give this a try and open Snapchat and try to use the filters. If that doesn't fix the problem, you can always go to your Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're using. Simply search for Snapchat and make sure you have the app updated to the latest version, because updates are there to fix such problems. And if that still doesn't fix your problem, uninstall the Snapchat application and then reinstall it, and that hopefully should fix it. And that's it for this video, guys. If it was helpful, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comment section. And also don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. Thank you very much for watching and see you later.